Hi everyone, today I'm going to be reading a book called The Berenstatin Bears Are Superbears by Mike Bernstein. Brother and sister bear liked to pretend they were super bears. Brother bear liked to be bat bear. Sister liked to be spider bear. Honey was their sidekick, cubby bear. The three super bears went outside. They were looking for villains. They saw a mail bear delivering the mail. "Look," said brother, "it's evil Dr. Silo. He's stealing the mail." The super bears jumped out. "Halt, Dr. Zilo," they cried. "We are super bears. You must stop your evil ways." "Curses? Foiled a cannon," said the mailman. He delivered the mail and went away. The super bears looked for more villains. They saw a trash truck. The workers were emptying trash cans. "Look," said sister, "space grizzles are coming. They're in their grizz ship. They want to steal our super pods. We need them for more superpowers." The super bears jumped out. "Halt, space grizzles," they said. "We are super bears. Go back to your evil planet, Grizzlon." "Oh no," said the workers, smiling. "We must go back to Grizzlon now." They emptied the trash and went away. Super bears looked for more villains. They saw workers fixing the wires. "Look," said brother, "the mad villain Joker Bear. He's trying to wreck the serpent." The super bears ran to the pole. "Halt," said Joker Bear. They said, "We are the super bears. You must stop your mad plot." "Oh well," said the worker, smiling. "My mad plot will have to wait." When he went fixing the wires, the super bears were having a fine day. Then a young cub came on his bike. He hit a bump and fell off and hurt his knee. "Super bears to the rescue!" The super bears wiped the cub's eyes. They wiped his nose. They helped him get back on his bike. "My poor baby," said the cub's mothers. "You three cubs are super bears." They gave each super bear a big kiss. 1, 2. They waved goodbye. Now they were getting hungry. It's time to go super base for lunch. Mama Bear fixed the super bears' lunch. They had a peanut butter and honey sandwiches. "Thank you, Super Mama," they said. "You're welcome, Super Bears," said Mama. "Now go out and fight those villains." The three super bears ran outside. "On Super Bears," they cried. "Villains, beware!" I hope you enjoyed this book, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, comment your opinion, and give a thumbs up. I'll see you in our next video. Bye!